there are going to be times where in Excel you're developing templates or spreadsheets that when you open them, you want them to update with the latest information. Now, some of the latest information could be today's date. So in this exercise, I'll show you how to actually use the today function, which will put in today's date. So in our cell C2 at the top here, to use the today function, all we simply do is go equals today, so we type the word today, opening round bracket, closing round bracket, and then we hit enter. So you can see today's date is the 8th of December, and it's put that date in. So this date is what we call a short date. If you wanted to use a long date, you could easily just come up to the drop down menu on our home ribbon and choose long date. And what you'll see automatically is it goes back into the crosshatch. So the crosshatch in this case is just saying it can't show the date fully and correctly. So if I resize the column C2 to make it a little bit larger, it will then show you the correct date because it's in a long format. So if I was to save this and to reopen the Excel spreadsheet tomorrow, it would then say Wednesday, 9th of December 2020.